Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Blogging course. In today's video, we will learn what is domain name and how to choose the right domain for your blog. The domain name is the address of your website or blog that people type in the browser URL bar to visit your website. And using the domain name, internet users access or open your website. For example, yatra.com, makemytrip.com, paytm.com or bloggingplay.com. So the domain has to register before it can be used. Which means first you need to buy a domain name from registrars like BigRock, GoDaddy and Namecheap. After that you can use it to launch a website. So every domain name is unique and any two websites can't use the same domain name, but you can change the extension like .in and .com. So if a person types your domain name in Google Chrome, then the person will land on your website, not others' website. Generally, the price of the domain name is usually between 700 to 1800. To create a website, the domain is compulsory, but you can't launch a website by buying only a domain name. In order to launch a website, you should also have to buy web hosting from Bluehost or WPX hosting, due to which you will be able to store your website's file on a server. The combination of domain and hosting makes an active website. So web hosting is a service that makes your website live for internet users, which you have to buy from hosting providers like Bluehost, GreenGeeks and Hostinger. So here I suggest buying hosting with Bluehost, and you can find a Bluehost link in the description of the video. The best thing about Bluehost is that you get a free domain name with their web hosting plan. This means you will not need to go to another place to buy the domain name. So now let's talk about how to select the perfect domain name for your blog. Selecting a domain to start an online business is one of the most important steps because it will work as a website address for your business. Before selecting the right domain, you should decide your blog topic or niche. If you have clarity about your blog topic or niche, then you can go right away to book your domain name. For example, I take health niche as an example here, and now I will tell you how to choose the perfect domain for health niche. When selecting a domain name, you should keep some facts in mind. First, the domain should be easy to type. Just think about some of the most popular websites in the world. And what comes to your mind? Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Yahoo, Aajtak, CNN, etc. One big thing they have in common is that they are all easy to spell and type. Which means you have to keep in mind your visitor should be able to type your domain name without a problem. If you have to explain the spelling more than once for it to be understood, it's more complicated. That's why you have to keep your domain name simple and easy to type. Next, keep domain name short. If your domain name will be long and complex, then people may not be able to type it quickly. According to the research of datagenetics.com, the length of the domain should be about 12 characters. Which means you have to keep your domain name in less than 14 words. Understood? Next, use the keywords in the domain name. You all know our website is mainly about blogging or helping people to do blogging. That's why we selected to add blogging as a niche keyword in our domain. Obviously, at that time, blogging.com was no longer available. So we simply selected bloggingplay.com. So keywords can help to improve your SEO. You need to select keywords carefully here. If you select to use keywords, then put the keywords at the beginning of your domain name. That's where a keyword will be the most powerful for your ranking. For example, if you are a health professional, you can buy healthready.com or healthstop.com domain. In the above domains, I took health as a niche keyword, which defines that website is about health. Next, target your geographic location in the domain. So if your business is local, then put the name of your city, state in the domain to reach the local customer. For example, nagpurhealthstop.com. In this domain, I use Nagpur as a location, which means this domain or a business is limited to Nagpur people. Okay. Next, avoid numbers and hyphens in domain. Most of the people forget the numbers and hyphen while typing the domain name. That's why don't use the number and hyphens in the domain name. That doesn't mean you should not buy a domain with numbers. But following are the domains which have become now big brands with numbers. First, cars24.com. Second, wp101.com. Third, 99acres.com. If you select or if you want to select a domain name with numbers, then it just depends on how the number are being utilized and how they are used in the common language. But I recommend don't use numbers in domain name. So next, your domain should be easy to remember. If your domain name will be easy to remember, then people will able to type it quickly. Also, the domain should be attractive and small. So write your domain name on a piece of paper and ask 10 people to pronounce it. If more people seem easy to pronounce, then go and buy that domain name. Okay. Next, do research for the right domain. Make sure whatever domain you have selected should not be any company trademark. If your domain will be any brand's trademark, then you can fall into the matter of the court. Therefore, you should stay away from those domain names that already have trademarks. And also research whether the username is available on social media websites related to the domain name you have selected. That's why it will be easy to find you on social media. And make sure your domain name and social media profile's name should be the same or match. Okay. Next, use a top level domain name extension. You all know at the end of the domain name there is a suffix like .com, .net or .in, which is called extension. When you select it or when you select your domain extension, one thing is clear, .com is still the best. According to research by Domain Name Stats, 43% of the world's internet marketers consider it as a good idea to use the .com extension in domains. Well, .com is easiest to remember, but thousands of websites have become successful with .net and .org extensions such as hindime.net and labnal.org. But you should go with .com if a domain with .com extension is not available, and then only register a domain with .net or .org extension. If your business is limited to Indian people, then you should go with .in extension. The .in extension tells people that your business is located in India and is made for people of India. Okay, listen, you don't need to build a website for every domain. You just need to redirect any additional domains to your primary website. Okay, next, protect and build your brands. In order to protect your brand, you should buy a different domain extension as well as domain with misspelling of your domain name. Because of this, your competitors will not be able to register or buy different versions of your domain name. Next, you have to take action quickly. You all know domain name sells out fast, and it's good that domain prices are cheap now. So register your domain as soon as possible. If you are having trouble finding an available domain, then domain registrars like GoDaddy and BigRock will suggest alternative domains during your domain search to help you find the right one. Final tip: where should you register the domain? If you don't know where to register your domain name, here I recommend bigrock.in, where you can buy and register your domain at a discount rate. The Big Rock website link is given in the description of the video, from where you will get the domain at a discounted price. I hope you got value and tips from this video. Now the video is finished here. Share this video with your friends, relatives and on WhatsApp group so that your friends can also take advantage of this ultimate blogging course. And if you like this video, then press the like button and also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification of the next video, and subscribe Blogging Player Digital channel now. Thank you and see you in the next lesson. Become a blogging player.